all are good and fine. So class, today we are talking about the physical education and sports for CWSN. Okay class. So basically CWSN means children with special needs and Divyang. Okay class. So in this topic we are discussing about the meaning of adaptive or adaptive physical education. Okay class, what we are talking about the meaning of adapted or adaptive of in physical education. Okay class, so basically education, the program was developed for disabled person to increasing the interest of sports game and rhythmic exercises. So this is a adaptive and adapted in physical education means. Okay, so class, and also we talking about in this topic aims and objective of adapted and adaptive in physical education. Okay, and also we talking about the Special Olympic Bharat and Paralympic Games and defining games, and also we talk about the defining and Paralympic and special games in Bharat aims and objective, and also know what is the motto of all of these games. Okay class, so first we talking about the meaning and aims and objective of adapted and adaptive in physical education.
So class, your unit 4 physical education and sports for CWSN means children with special needs. Okay, so in this topic we're talking about the meaning of adapted or adaptive physical education. Okay, so basically the meaning of adapted is he's a design program for disabled persons. Okay, for to teaching activities, game and sports, and also the rhythmic suited to instant capability and limitation of student with disabilities. Okay, so this is the meaning of adapted and adaptive in physical education. So adapted physical education, also called specially designed instruction. Okay, instruction is physical education that designed on individual base to meet the needs of a child with disabilities. Okay, and adaptive physical education means a physical specially designed program of developmental mental activities, games, sports and rhythms suited to the interest, capability and limitation of students with disabilities. Okay class, so this is the meaning of adapted and adaptive. Okay, so let's move next page. So these are the some pictures of the adaptive or disabled children, so teaching the skills and activities they are doing. Okay, so in next page there is the aim of adaptive physical education. Okay, so first aim is the primary goal of adapted physical education should be to ensure that the child is provided with physical education service that meet his or unique needs. Okay, other goals may included assigning student to develop self-esteem, further socialization skill and promote sportsmanship. Okay class, so this is the number one aims of adaptive. So second aims is the aim adapted physical education is aid restraint to handicaps to achieve physical, mental, emotional and social growth and consulted with their potential through a careful planned program of regular and special physical education and recreation activities. Okay class, Okay, so next page we're talking about the objective of adaptive and physical education. Okay, so basically the main objective of physical education are to develop motor ability like stand speed, endurance, coordination, flexibility, agility, balance, as they are important aspects for good performance in different games and sports. Okay, so basically this is the objective of aim, and this is the objective of at adaptive. Okay, so first number is ensure service to meet special needs. Second is develop motor skills. Third is enhance self-esteem and self-image. Fourth is ensure participation of student in physical education, improve physical fitness, motivate student to protect themselves, promote sportsmanship qualities, develop knowledge of good mechanics, and last one is improve social adjustments. Okay, class. So this is the objective of adaptive. Okay. So now we're talking about the Special Olympic Bharat. Okay. So Special Olympic Bharat is officially recognized program for Special Olympic International which operate in India. Okay. It was founded in 1987. Okay. Which year is founded? In 1987. Okay. So as Special Olympic India had changed its name to Olympic Bharat. Okay, so its name changes to into Special Olympic Bharat. Okay, in 2001. It is recognized by the Government of India as a national sports federation for the development of sports opportunities for the people with intellectual disabilities. Okay, so basically these events are organized for disabled persons. Okay, and Special Olympic Bharat is a national sports federation also registered under the Indian Trust Act 1882 in 2001 and accredited by Special International to conduct Special Olympic program in India. It is recognized by the Government of India as a national sports federation in the priority category for development of sport person with the intellectual disabilities. And it is a design noble agency for all disabilities on accounts of its national presence and experience, especially in rural areas which country for nearly 75% of the disabled population in India. Okay, class. So there is a oath of the Special Olympic Bharat. So the oath is, "Let me win, but if I cannot win, let me brave in the attempt." Okay, class. This is the oath of Special Olympic Bharat. Let me win, but if I cannot win, let me be brave in the attempts. Okay, and also this is the Special Bharat, Special Olympic Bharat logo. Okay, class. So this is the Special Bharat, Special Olympic Bharat. So now we're talking about the Paralympic Games. Okay, so basically this game was organized by Paralympic Association for disabilities, disabled persons. Okay, so the Paralympic Games or Paralympics are periodic series of international multi-sports events. Okay, involving athletes with a range of disabilities, including impaired muscles, power, and muscles dystrophy, post-polio syndrome, spine FIDA, and impaired passive range of movement. Okay, and also the limb deficiency. So this is the category of the disabilities to Paralympic Games. Okay, So next is objective of Paralympic Games. Okay, so the aim is to promote and contribute to the development of sports opportunity and competition from the start to elite levels. Okay, to develop opportunities for athletes with several disabilities in sports at all levels and it is in all structure. Okay, class. So this is the event of high jumping. So this is a disabled person doing the high jump. Okay. So now we're talking about the Deaflympic Olympic. Means Deaflympic Olympic. This is called proper name. Okay. So Deaflympic is previously called a world game for the deaf and international game for the deaf. Okay, are an international Olympic committee IOC sanctioned event at which deaf athletes compete at in elite levels. Okay, so there is a aim of the Deaflympic. So the aim of the Deaflympic including the physical and mental well-being of deaf sports people. Previous of opportunity for deaf person to participate in elite sports bring together of athletes for around the world in a coordinal sports competition. Okay, class. So this is the aim of Deaflympic Olympics, and there is a Deaflympic importance. Okay, what the importance of this type of events? So the goal of Deaflympic is to promote deaf culture and the rights of deaf and hearing impaired individuals. These games show the self-sufficiency and strength not only for its competitors but of the deaf community as whole. The mission can be seen in their motto. Okay, the motto is the Paralidos Equalities. So equality through sports. This is the motto of these games. So the basically is calling equality through sports, and the proper motto is.
So class, I hope you all are understanding the meaning of adapted and adaptives of physical education and also know aims and objective and Special Olympic Games, Paralympic Games, Deaflympic Games, and also the all games are what the aims and what the objective, and also know what is the motto of these games. Okay, class. So stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you, class.